Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to share the Tickled Pink Lush box. Yes, I have it. It's so cute, you guys. I have gotten a Lush, the Lush Tickled Pink box before, but they've changed the packaging to this pretty floral color, and it is just so pretty, wrapped with a bow. And you can see there the Tickled Pink. This box it retails in the USA for $89.95, and I'm so excited. Okay, so before we get started, please like and subscribe so that you're notified the next time I go on a shopping spree. Without further ado, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I don't even want to open it, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. Here we go. I wonder if I can just, oh yeah, okay. I'll just slide the bow off so that I can get it back on. Okay, so you just lift the lid. It says, #LushTime. This gift was lovingly packaged by Amy's team. Thank you, Amy. All of Lush products are handmade and no animal cruelty, vegetarian. The plastic is done with recycled plastic, and even the packing peanuts are like dissolvable. If you run water over these, they will dissolve. So Lush is a company that is very concerned about the wellness of the planet, and I love and appreciate that so much. So okay, so it looks like I have here the Lucky Cat Bath Bomb, and he's pink, and he is smothered in glitter. This smells, is that the Rockstar scent? Let's see if they gave me, okay, good, they did give me, okay, Lucky Cat Bath Bomb. The perfect kitty fizzes into shimmering gold waters and a botanic blend of jasmine, neroli, and ylang ylang. So that's him. Looking forward to that. And he is getting glitter everywhere. And you guys, I do have to sanitize everything because of the pandemic. So you also get a rose jam shower gel, and I really like rose jam. Let's see. It smells like roses. And this is 3.3 fluid ounces. So that's that. And then I have a pink peppermint foot lotion. And it's small. Let's see, I haven't tried this product. It smells like peppermint, and it's this really soft pink color. That smells yummy. It's like a foot mask, foot lotion, they say, but it smells like peppermints. Yum! Okay, and then let's take this guy out of the packaging. This is the Creamy Candy Bath. This is actually a bubble bar, and it smells delicious. It says creamy vanilla with almond oil and cocoa butter to moisturize your skin. And I haven't tried the bubble bars yet. I've used the bath bombs, and they're wonderful because they turn the water like whatever color the bath bomb is, and it's an experience. It truly is. So that smells really yummy. I can't wait to use that. Okay, and I have here, this is the Rockstar Soap. And, okay, it says, it smells so good. Ease your sugar cravings with our candy-scented soap and its creamy lather. And it does smell like candy, like sugary. Sugary sweet. And this, I don't think this is, no, it's not the Rockstar scent. I like that, you guys. And then I'm really excited because, yes, I have here the comforter. And this is a bubble bar. I'm so excited for this. Envelop yourself in the comforting scent of cassis, absolute, and bergamot oil. It smells so nice. And with the bubble bars, they're really large, and I think you're supposed to be able to use these like several times. And it is really large, so. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, this is called Pink, and it is a bath bomb, and it is smothered in glitter, you guys. It smells so nice. A tonka, lavender, and vanilla fizzer that turns your tub into a silvery pink sanctuary. And that sounds wonderful. I need a pink sanctuary with everything that's going on in the world. I'm so grateful that I don't have to be out there working in this. I actually work from home, and bless your hearts to everyone that is out there. Thank you so much for your dedication and sacrifice. I love you guys for doing that. Thank you so much. But this smells really, really nice. So that is the Pink Bath Bomb. This is just filled with goodies, okay? Ooh, what is this one? Okay, this is called Twilight, and it is a bath bomb. This reassuring lavender and tonka bean creates a vision of the night sky in the water. Yeah, it smells like lavender. Look, it's this very pretty, like, mauve color. Oh my gosh. Oh, and they are, Lush is offering curbside pickup now. So I actually placed my order online, and then I picked it up at the store. So it's curbside assistance. You just call when you get there. And also when you shop online, they do give you a free sample. So, that is so nice. So nice. And I think the bubble bars are supposed to create a lot of bubbles, whereas the bath bombs just pretty much like color and scent your water. So I'm curious to see how many bubbles will be in there. Okay, so this is Rose Argan Body Conditioner. It looks like that. It smells okay. It's just like khaki colored. It smells okay. What is the scent description for this one? Okay, it says this argan oil, kapoku butter, and goji berry juice smoother leaves skin smooth, bright, and nourished. So let's see. I don't really like the smell of that. You can smell like a hint of argan oil. I don't really like the smell of that. But, okay. And I also have, everything is covered in glitter. And this box smells so amazing, you guys. So amazing. I have the Bubblegum Lip Scrub. Yay! And it smells like bubblegum. Oh, wait, let me show you the packaging. So it's got like this really cute pink label. And, that smells exactly like bubblegum. It's like this pink color. It's coming off orange on there, but it is like this, like a neon pink color. Is it sugar? Yeah, it's a sugar scrub. It is. And it tastes delicious. Okay, and then they gave me a sample. What do I have here? The Dream Cream Body Lotion. So when you place an order online, I'm not sure if they do that in the store or not. I'll have to ask. Or you guys comment and let me know, okay? Because I usually just do my shopping online. It smells okay. Very lotiony. That one just smells okay. But it's like this off-white colored cream. And so that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. And I cannot wait to start using these goodies tonight. So as always, I pray that you and your families are safe and well. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.